In the last video, I got an idea that we should create a password policy so that users don't forget to change their password every X number of days. In this video, we're going to do just that. Let's start by going to the IAM console. On the left side, let's click on Account Settings. Here we can see the default password policy that comes standard in AWS. A minimum of 8 characters, a minimum of 3 of the following mix of characters, and it can't be similar to your email or account name. Let's click on the Change Password Policy button. Before we move on, I want to warn you that this will get applied at the global level, meaning that this will enforce everyone within our AWS account to follow these new password standards. If we wanted to, we could change the minimum password length to 10 characters, but we will leave it at 8. We can enforce other more restrictive settings like forcing users to change their passwords every 90 days. We can also require administrators to reset their passwords for the users, and we can prevent the reuse of passwords. We can tell it to remember the last 5 or 3 passwords if we wanted to. So we can define the password policy to what we want, but I'll just require the users to change their password every 90 days. We can go ahead and click on Save Changes. We will get a green box at the top letting us know that we have changed the password policy successfully. And it will also tell us the new policy that we just defined in this gray box. If later on we change our mind, we can always update the password policy again, making it more or less restrictive. I hope in this video you learned how to define a password policy so that you can better protect your AWS account. I'll see you in the next video.